Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Expand and simplify y plus 4 times 2 minus y. We're going to be using the FOIL method, where F stands for first, O stands for outside, I stands for inside, and L stands for last. Let's get started. Y times 2 is 2y. Y times negative y is negative y squared. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times negative y is negative 4y. Now we simplify all the like terms. There's only one like term for the y squared, negative squared. There are two like terms for y. So 2 minus 4, that is negative 2y. And there's only one constant, plus 8. So our final answer should be negative y squared minus 2y plus 8. Factorize fully 15b to the power of 5c minus 35b cubed times c to the power of 9. Notice how 15 and 35 both have a multiple of 5. And when dealing with variables, we always take the lowest number. So here we have b to the power of 5 and b to the power of 3. So we'll take b to the power of 3 since it's smaller. And c to the power of 1 and c to the power of 9, we'll just take c to the power of 1 since it's the smaller one. So here we have 5 b to the power of 3 times c. Now, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Now we already have b to the power of 5. So we'll write here 5 minus 3. That's b to the power of 2. And c. That's already given here. So we move on to the next one. 35 divided by 5 is 7. B to the power of 3 is already given. So we leave that alone. And c to the power of 9 divided by c to the power of 1. That's 9 minus 1. So that's c to the power of 8. And that is our final answer. 5b cubed c times 3b to the power of 2 minus 7c to the power of 8. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.